Hey guys, it's Lil. I did tell you this was going to happen. Oops. I tried the DIY thing. I give up. I just want something that will work. I want something to get the black dye out of my hair because I'd really like to be a blonde again. So, from what I've read, this should work. I really hope that the photo on here is not what I'm going to look like, but who knows? It'd still be better than this. I'm gonna have my husband help me apply the ColorOops and we'll see what happens. Let's open this up. I accidentally grabbed the extra strength, which is probably what I'm gonna need anyway. So there's not really names on these. This is just number 1 and number 2, and then the instructions. Ooh, gloves. So we're supposed to mix first and second bottle, shake well for 30 seconds. So you're supposed to move quickly through the application as the activity of the mixture decreases with elapsed time. Gotta go fast. Be certain that the room is not cold. And be certain that you're not sitting near a vent blowing cool air, as this will affect timing and results.
Don't worry about that here.
That's true. We're in Hawaii. After this is done sitting in my hair, I need to shampoo and rinse for 15 to 20 minutes, and then I shampoo again and rinse for another 5 minutes. And then after that, I repeat it 2 more times.
Hopefully there's hot water.
Oh, I'm gonna miss this. All right, my hair is brushed out and I think we are about ready to get started.
It's gonna bleach stuff, right?
No, there's no bleach in it. It's formulated, hey buddy. It's formulated to remove the hair dye pigment from my hair. Bye, dark hair. My dog is sitting on my feet.
Sorry. Okay, come on.
Don't smell it. Don't stop smelling it.
Oh, all good.
Did you lose any of it?
Just a little bit. Yeah, we got a little bit on my face. Yeah.
Oh, it's starting to smell bad.
Oh yeah, there it is.
Oh no.
Ah. Is this gonna like dye my beard?
No, it only works on artificial color.
And I'm doing your whole roots like a...
You're doing everything that's been dyed.
Head up, please.
Oh my god,
It's,
this smells pretty bad.
What does it smell like to you? It doesn't smell like sulfur. It smells like...
It smells like... Remember Cheerwine? It smells like someone drank a lot of Cheerwine after having like a big meal full of onions and then burped in my face. That's what that smells like to me.
Yeah, I could hear that. I can smell that, really.
Yeah. Now, no pressure, but if you miss any of it, it's gonna be super obvious.
You're gonna be embarrassed at your next social engagement. Oh, wait. Kind of smells like a beauty aisle, but with like a sinister undertone.
Go fast. Time's a ticking. Ah! Is it just me or does it already look like it's working? Like my wet hair looks lighter. Go to bed. God, bed. Stop dripping it on me. It's okay, this is your shirt.
Alright, we're done.
Sweet. All right, I'm putting this up in a cap now. I'll be back. All right, so I have my cap on. My hair is completely saturated. My husband did a great job.
Thank you.
You're welcome. I'm gonna have this on for like about 15, 16 more minutes. You're supposed to keep checking the progress as it's sitting. So, oh, nope, it's all gonna fall out. Never mind, I have to do that off camera. So I will keep checking the progress. Then once it is done, I have to rinse it with warm water and shampoo for 20 minutes. And then I do it again, then I do it again, and then I do it again. I'm gonna be in the shower for like the rest of the night. I will check back in a bit. All right, it has been 20 minutes. I am taking it off. Well, good morning. It is the day after I used the ColorOops on my hair, and as you can see, it worked. I have gone full Pennywise the Clown. I was not kidding. Pretty much, with the exception of a few unfortunate spots, all of the black dye is out of my hair. Like I said before, the goal is to get back to blonde, so this is not the end point for me, luckily. According to the ColorOops box, you can dye your hair again right after. So expect another video coming soon where I go blonde, because I am not keeping this for forever. If you're looking for something to strip black box dye out of your hair, this stuff works for real. I had over a year of black dye buildup, and yeah, it's gone. Look at that. I'm a ginger. As always, thank you guys so much for watching, and I hope I will see you in the next video. Bye!